Good morning and welcome to Friday Assembly, the best assembly of the week. We are really impressed with all the work you have been doing at home. So we have got lots of certificates. If you hear your friend's name at home, to give them a big clap. In Acon class, we're particularly impressed with Owen for his super counting with his toys and Alan for his Easter craft and the printing of a carrot. Well done, Owen and Alan. Well done. In Ash class, Ria, the beautiful drawing of the flower and the attention to detail was amazing. And Aaron for your fantastic performance of the song 5 Little Bumblebees. Well done, Ria and Aaron. Well done, both of you. In Hornbeam class, really proud of Lola and the beautiful drawing of tigers, and Joshua for your marvellous counting in multiples of 2. Well done, Lola and Joshua. Give them a big clap at home. Willow class, Louis, all your fantastic work in English. Well done. And Jake W for all your maths work. Louis and Jake, give them a big clap at home. Well done, both of you. In Sycamore class, really impressed with Corey and the standards of your work, and Alex for fantastic computer skills. Again, give them a big clap at home to Corey and Alex. Well done. In Beach class, Aaron, amazing report on castles. Well done. And Nana, lovely persuasive writing. Well done, Aaron and Nana. We will be emailing these certificates to you at home. And in Oak class, Pippa, the model of the heart was amazing, and Alexis, fantastic work on ratios. So well done, Pippa and Alexis. I am really impressed with all of the work you're doing at home. Well done, everybody. You have got your Easter topics for the holidays. Enjoy those. Have a lovely Easter, and I will see you all very soon. Bye bye for now.